Today for you I have to scrap electrical outlet. There is quite a bit of brass in these. You know, you could just throw it in your brass bearing bucket or even in your copper bearing bucket. They'll buy it off you like that. But what I like to do is first I like to get all the screws out. Now, the screws are made so that they have a little tab on them so that they stop, so they don't come all the way out. They make them that way for electricians, so they're not dropping screws, but you can just power through it. Once I get all the screws out, I like to... Oh, look at that. They're all brass, every one of them. So there's a bunch of brass. And now to get this apart, what I like to do, put it inside of a towel or a rag, give it a few whacks with a hammer. Might have to get my other hammer. Nope, it's coming apart. We got some more brass here. See, the good thing about the rag, garbage. Good thing about the rag is I'm not losing pieces everywhere. But there is a lot of brass in one of these. They are worth taking apart. Another little piece of brass. Remember, put it in a rag. It'll save you from having to pick pieces up everywhere. Because when you just hit stuff with a hammer, parts do go flying everywhere. Quite a bit of brass in one of these. They are worth taking apart. That's about it. Alright, I'm going to throw the rest of this in my tin bucket, plastic and all. They'll still give me tin for it. And I have all this brass. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.